day, everybody. We're here in Georgia. We're ready to tackle this house here, driveway. Got a little walkway in the back as well as a patio here. Hey, how you doing, guy? Check this out. This guy is on his way to do great things. I'm telling you. Can't find that anymore. Yes. Little blue collar guy. They don't make them like that no more, y'all. At any rate, we're getting ready to tackle this property here. Let's go out back to check it out. Driveway's pretty bad. Sheesh. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, remember once you've treated your surface and you want to reactivate the cleaning solution that you have on the surface, just simply wet it all over again. Doesn't take too much water. Doesn't take too much, but as you can see, once it gets wet again, you'll start to see your soap pop back up. Just damp it. Then you decide service clean.